how to install Downloader on LG Smart TV. So if you want to install Downloader on LG Smart TV, then let's go. First, you need to turn on your LG Smart TV and go to the home screen. You'll need an internet connection, so make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Next, you need to find the LG Content Store on your home screen. It's usually a red and white icon. Click on it to open the App Store. Now, in the LG Content Store, you need to look for the search icon, which will be on the top right of your screen. It's a little magnifying glass. Click on it and then type in Downloader. Use your remote to enter the letters. You should see the Downloader app pop up on your suggestions. Just click on it, which is right here. After that, you will have the install button. Once you see the Downloader app, click on it and then hit the install button. The app will start downloading. This actually takes a minute depending on your internet speed. When it's done, you'll see an open button. You need to click on it to launch the Downloader, or you can find it later on your home screen under My Apps. The first time you open Downloader, it may ask for permission to access the files. Just click Allow, then you're all set. You can enter a download code or use the browser to get apps. That's it. Now you have Downloader on your LG Smart TV. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.